add admin to a WhatsApp group? Ever felt like your WhatsApp group needs a co-pilot? Whether it's for managing event plans, streamlining team discussions, or just keeping the conversation lively, adding an admin can make a world of difference. So here is a quick and easy guide to turning a member into an admin and superchanging with your group's efficiency. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to add admin to a WhatsApp group. First of all, launch WhatsApp on your device and then open it. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into your WhatsApp account, and then you need to tap on the group chat where you want to add a new admin. Make sure you are the admin of the group chat, then only you'll be able to add admin to a WhatsApp group. Or you might be admin on any WhatsApp group, then only you'll make or you can be able to make other person admin of those particular group. So you have to select the member or the group info first of all at the top of the screen. Then you will reach on this section. When you scroll to the bottom, you will see all the members of this group. You need to select and tap that particular person or member whom you want to add admin to a WhatsApp group. When you tap and hold, you will see different kinds of options here. Simply, when you tap and hold on this box, you need to select make group admin, and then they will be easily become an admin of this particular group. And there you have it. Your group is now even more dynamic and ready to conquer any challenge with your new admin on board. So that's how we easily add admin to a WhatsApp group. I hope this video worked. Thank you for